Heard the terms AI, machine learning, deep learning. But still confused? Let me break it down, fast. No AI, here's what they actually mean. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the big picture. It's any machine that can mimic human intelligence. Think, problem solving, language, decision making. Machine learning is a subset of AI. Instead of being programmed step by step, it learns from data. Like how Netflix learns what you like to watch. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. But deeper, literally. It uses neural networks with layers to process complex stuff like recognizing faces or generating art. AI is the umbrella. Machine learning is inside it. Deep learning is the powerhouse at the core. Now you know, drop a comment if this made sense. Like, share and subscribe. Owl Wiss.